I had a child once who, very difficult behaviors, very tragic. Long story short, he never does anything. He's really making a breakthrough. He's a third grader. He's sitting there. He gets a couple pages done, and he says to me, he goes, "Miss," and I'm sitting right next to him. I'll never forget. He says, "Miss," he says, "Look, I did this." And I went, "Wow, that's great." I said, "You should be proud of yourself." And so and I said, "Why don't you tell your teacher?" And he said, he raised his hand, his teacher went, she says, "Yes." And he says, "Look, I did this." And she said, "Oh, well, that proves that you know how to do it." Here's all the ones you haven't done in the past 3 weeks. That's not okay. That's not okay. When I get the turnaround with a child and their grades are still bad because they haven't done all of this, now I'm going to take that child aside and I'm going to say, "You know, you did such a good job today that tomorrow I want to talk about some opportunities or some things, depending upon the age of the child, that we're going to work together on so I can make sure that we can continue your success." I don't care how old they are. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.